Hello, world. Today, I want to play a game with you. You find yourself in a world filled with injustice, deceit, and despair. You've grown comfortable, lulled into complacency, while the true horrors unfold around you. But comfort is a trap, a lie that suffocates your potential. In this game, you face a choice. Will you continue to watch from the sidelines, or will you take a stand? You have been given the power to change your fate. Every day, you witness the suffering of others, the corruption that seeps into the very fabric of society. Ignoring it makes you complicit. But I believe you can do better. I want to see you awaken. I want you to realize that your silence is your prison. Your choice is simple: live as a passive observer or fight against the darkness that threatens to consume us all. Remember, every action has consequences. If you choose to fight, be prepared to lose everything. Comfort, security, even your life. But in that struggle, you will find true freedom. So, I ask you again, will you step into the light and reclaim your voice, or will you remain shackled by your own inaction? Live or die. Make your choice. Let the games begin.